Happy Thursday, everybody. So, few announcements. We're making some changes to the immediate future of the winter calendar because tubing got canceled. So, tubing is going to be rescheduled for Sunday, February 2nd, immediately after AM Velocity. Originally, we were going to do that as well as launch Catechism, as well as have Velocity, but Greta Soli made it clear to me that that is Super Bowl Sunday. Don't know how I forgot that when making the calendar a couple months ago, but being that it's Super Bowl Sunday, there's not going to be Velocity, and we will not start Catechism that night. We will be back from tubing around 3 or 3:30, so there's plenty of time to go to a Super Bowl party or get ready for a Super Bowl party or whatever else you've got planned for that night. There will be plenty of time to get back by the time the game starts. So, tubing will be that day. Registration for tubing will open up again today and will close Sunday night. So if you didn't get to go tubing because of what day it was before, you now have a chance to sign up for tubing again. If you were able to go to tubing on January 18th but are not able to go Sunday, February 2nd, please email me and we will try everything in our power to get you a refund. I don't see why we shouldn't be able to, but I can't promise it, but I am 95% confident we'll be able to get you a refund. So that covers this Sunday. Oh yes, Catechism then will start not the week after that, but 2 weeks after Super Bowl Sunday, February 16th. And what we'll do is we'll finish 1 week later than originally scheduled on May 3rd. It's possible that we'll be able to get 2 weeks of teaching into 1 week if we've got a short week or short lessons or something like that, and then we'll end on time, but that will only affect the people in the class, so we can just announce that to the people in the class. Let's see, I don't think I'm missing anything. The other thing that you guys might want to keep your eyes peeled for is this Sunday we will be announcing the missions trip, and more details to come on that, but we do have a location, we've got a date, so more information is coming this Sunday. Keep your ears and eyes posted for that. That's all I've got for you for the video. Any questions, as always, text or email me. Peace.